How to use Belair Home Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Belair Home Insurance is a trusted option for Canadians, but many homeowners make mistakes that leave them underinsured or overpaying. The surprising truth is that simply having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Standard policies may not fully cover rebuilding costs, especially with rising construction costs. Review your policy regularly to ensure it reflects your home's current value and possessions. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Belair includes personal liability, but reducing limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you cause damage elsewhere. Failing to update your policy is another frequent error. Renovations, moving, or acquiring valuable items can affect your coverage. Not informing Belair could lead to denied or reduced claims. Overlooking discounts is another costly mistake. Belair offers savings for bundling policies, installing security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Belair Home Insurance Canada. Ensure your coverage matches your home's current value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and protects both your home and peace of mind.